So here it is, the NVMe SSD. Okay, where the hell we go with? Yeah, the NVMe SSD versus the regular SSD. This one is the regular SSD, as you can see. So let me just start the speed test for the NVMe. This one is the hard drive D is the NVMe. Let me just start and then I will be back. So the speed test already finished for the NVMe. This one is the sorry. This one is the regular SSD, my Passport Go, and this one is the NVMe. Can you hear me right? Okay. Let me just open it. Okay. Yeah. I think my computer is slowing down. No, it's not. It's okay. So yeah, this one on the left is the NVMe, and the right is the regular SSD. You see the difference is massive. Again, this one is the budget NVMe. If we are going to get a good quality NVMe, high quality premium NVMe SSD, it's gonna be much better performance. If we are going to buy a SSD as external drive, my answer will be that buy a NVMe and buy a 2280 ESPC enclosure, which you can use with your Thunderbolt C also, like something like that. I'll be recommending it. So the clear winner is NVMe. NVMe is one. So yeah, it was me, Jimmy. Subscribe and buy. Again, a lot of people wanna know which one is faster, and now you already know which one is faster. You know which one is faster. NVMe, day and night difference out here. I mean, look at it. Oh, look at the day and night difference. To be honest with you, it's like day and night difference. Where the hell we go? Yeah, here. So yeah, it was me, Jimmy. Subscribe and buy. So I'm going to copy the file on the regular SSD, then the NVMe. I'm going to copy a 10 GB file. Yes, a large 10 GB file on the regular SSD first. Here you can see it's going to take around 60 seconds. Let's do a simple thing. Let me copy the file all same time. Like regular SSD and NVMe. As you can see, the regular SSD and NVMe, day and night different. The NVMe is the clear winner. Literally, NVMe is the king of all SSD. I love NVMe. I do not see a reason why you should get the regular SSD. If you are going to get us external hard drive, I will recommend get the NVMe and then get the enclosure. I hope you understand, get USB-C enclosure. So yeah, it was me, none other than Jimmy Geek. Let's see how long is the regular SSD is going to take. I mean nothing, to be honest with you, because I'm super happy with my 2 TB NVMe. My 2 TB. I wanna show you how much it costs. The SSD 6, right? Not this one. On minute SSD 6 1 TB. Yeah. Yeah, this one is cost. It's cost, and the 1 TB and the regular SSD costs $172. So which one is cheaper? NVMe is cheaper, plus it's more faster. You can get 2 TB for $200. You just get the 2280 enclosure USB-C. Yeah, something like that. Let me do the math for you. 97 plus $20, like $170. You can get NVMe SSD with an enclosure, or you can get a regular enclosure. It's up to you. And what else? What all? You can even get a USB-A enclosure. USB-A, like it works like a USB, like this one. $117 NVMe compared with this one. Again, you are the judge. It have a built-in cable. Also, this one have a built-in USB-A. You need to be the judge. Are we finished? Yes, we are finished. It was me, Jimmy. Subscribe.
لست للفردوس آلا ولا أقوى على نار الجحيم الله فهب لي